Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see the title of QoS, a ranking prediction for the cloud service. The cloud computing is becoming a popular, and building a high quality cloud application is a critical research problem. The QoS ranking provides a valuable information for making a cloud service selections. Here the input from the user will be given to the cloud, and the cloud will make a process on the data, and the data reply will be forwarded to the user. Here the reply produced by the cloud is called a service. Here the real world invocation of the service candidates are usually required. To avoid the time consumption and expensive real world service invocation, here going to propose a QoS ranking prediction framework for the cloud service by taking advantage of the past service use the experience of the other customers. In this, we are going to consider the quality of service of the each and every cloud service. By that quality of service, we are going to analyze the service of the each and every cloud process. Now we are going to discuss about the data flow for the process. Here is the user's applications, which is present in the left side of the process. Then the intermediate is the cloud infrastructure. The cloud infrastructure is used to process the each and every data from the user application that will be provided to the cloud rank framework. And first we need to calculate the rank correlation for the coefficient for the each and every users. The rank correlation is used to by getting the value from the grid sim, and then value will be the rank will be calculated for the each and every users. After that, calculate the similarity value. Similarity nothing but the each and every service has a different unique value. By that we are going to find the similar services present in the cloud sim. After that, identify the dissimilar user. Here the dissimilar user is nothing but if a user is completely differs from the another user means, then that will be the dissimilar users, and eliminate the dissimilar users, and we are going to eliminate the dissimilar users. And after dissimilating the user, we have only the similar users and the rank employee cloud service, and what is the cloud service they are required, and that we are going to rank the cloud service in an order. And preference we are going to calculate by the sum of the preference value, and ranking position will be used to arrange the order in a hierarchical manner or a descending manner, and identify the confidence level of the each and every users. Now we are going to see the running procedure for the process. First we need to click the home.java and right click it and click run file. Here the home.java will execute the cloud sim. This is the cloud sim based technology. We are going to process it, and click the data center button and enter the data set and click OK. There are two number of data set center will be created, and which is the property for the data set: data center name and number of machines, and host ID and number of PEs for the and RAM for the each and every data set. After creating the data centers, we need to create a brokers. Here I am going to give a 2 number of brokers, and the 2 number of brokers will be created successfully. This is the broker name and this is the broker ID, and click next. Now we are going to create a VM for that. Then each and every process will be did by the grid sim. The grid sim is the main process behind the task. By the grid sim only we are going to bring the every process, and this is the VM ID and broker ID and MAPS, RAM and bandwidth for the VMs, and get the cloud. This is the cloud is the number of job we are going to allocate. Here is the first one is the number of users which is going to give the task. We have 2 number of users. The first number of users jobs will be 3, and the cloud is created, and the data will be submitted to the broker. And second number of second user files cloud is 2, and this is the number of files created, and this is the process. This is the user ID, and this is the job ID, and this is the brokers, and length, and file size, and output size. These are the properties for the each and every job we are allocating to the cloud. Then click proceed here, and this is the detail which we got at earlier, and service computing. Then the three users 0 1 2 3 is the user 0 and is the user 1, okay, which is the detail for the jobs. And repository is nothing but already we have connected a value to the process, and that will be the repository. And click next. Here we are going to enter the user 0 and type of text is audio. Then click login. If it is a character means, then this page will be shown. Then click get detail here. Again we are going to select the same thing which is getted earlier, because the type is used to verify the task is apt at the which time slot. And get ID of the user. This is the ID for the user. And click next. And get packets. This is the packets for the each and every user. This is the user 0's packet, and this is the user 1's 0's packet, and this is the user 1's packet, and this is the user 2 packet. Like it, only we are going to calculate the packets for the each and every user in the transaction. There are 5 users are there. For the 5 users, we are going to calculate the data and get the NOP of the user, number of packets. Here the user 1's NOP is 60, and the user 2 users is 59. Likewise, only we are going to calculate the data. And interaction. The interaction is nothing but the interaction time. Each and every interaction time will be the 1 million seconds. And click next. And what are the time slot? The time slot is 60. The time slot is comes under by the calculations. And what is the weight for the each and every user present in the transaction. And the time slot service. This is the time slots, and I am going to allocate the every service to the each time slot to verify which service is best one. Then click next. This is the NIG value which is going to perform, and that will be the apt service to the particular time slot. And GIG value is same for all that, and I value and NI value. This is the reverse of the NIJ value, and this is the reverse of the GIJ value. And get services. This is the services we are going to use, because this one is the video service is based on the each and every time slot. This is the cloud rank 1 algorithm, and this is the cloud rank 2 algorithm. Here the process will be considered differ, because the each and every time slot will be make some difference in the cloud rank 2 algorithm. Thanks for watching this video.